In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the deck belt on this Cub Cadet 46-inch lawn tractor. It's a very easy job you can do yourself at home in just a few minutes and save yourself some money. Now, this is not the model with the electric PTO with the pull switch. Instead, this is the one that manually engages with the lever on the back right here. All right, so without further ado, let's dive right in. So real quick, just so you know, I've gone ahead and pulled the deck loose on this mower, but not because you have to do this job, but so you can see better what I'm doing for filming purposes. So let's go ahead and get started right here. Let's pull the belt guard off of the front. It's just this one 8mm bolt, and then it sticks in a hole in the other side of the frame, and that comes right off, and then you can take the belt right off of the engine pulley. All right, so we got a nice overhead shot right here. Now this is the pattern of the belt. As you can see, this part here goes up to the motor, and then it just goes around these idlers just like so. Very simple. So we'll just have to loosen up these idlers right here. They're 14mm, and you'll have to grab it from underneath with a wrench. And I've got an impact here. If you don't have an impact, just use a ratchet. See, if we loosen that, we can get that belt out from around there. Just like that. Let's go ahead and take off our shields, our belt guards. I think these are 8mm. And that is it. This is just on a spring right here. Just push that, and we're done. All right, so while we got the belt off, this is a good time to check your idlers and spindles. I've gone ahead and tightened my idlers back up so we can test them. You'll want to go ahead and pull your idler over to release the tension off of there. Give your spindles a good spin. Grab hold of the blade from underneath and shake them up and down, making sure you don't have a bunch of slop right there. Go ahead and spin your spindles. Check those, make sure they're all good. That one's all right too. So these are all good, but this is a good time to check. So I'll go ahead and post in the description below the part number to this particular belt for this model, but just double check yours and make sure that that part number will fit your particular application. So very simple to put this back. The flat part of the belt goes against the flat pulleys, and the V part goes against the V pulleys. Just like that. It kind of makes a T when you're looking at it from above. So we'll go ahead and tighten our idlers back, and we're just about home free. Once you get the bolts tight, make sure they spin. So once you put it back, just hook the belt up around the engine pulley and put the belt guard back on there, and let's take it for a little test. And it looks like everything's running like a champ. No problems at all. Any questions, comment below. Thanks for watching this video.